everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is Tasha with West Financial Services, LLC, where we provide tax strategies, business services, and financial education to help you achieve your economic goals and live without financial limitations. In today's video, we want to cover some breaking tax news out of the state of Georgia. So the Georgia Department of Revenue has issued some additional guidance regarding the Georgia House Bill 481. And in this guidance, they have explained that moving forward, taxpayers in the state of Georgia will be able to claim their unborn child or children on their tax return, on their Georgia state tax returns. So we are here on the Georgia Department of Revenue website. I just wanted to show this to you, and let's just go over it and talk about it. Here we see that this is in light of the June 24th, 2022 U.S. Supreme Court ruling in Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization. And so this is as a result of that Supreme Court ruling. And we do know what's been going on in the news. So Georgia Department of Revenue has come in to clarify that adding an unborn child with a detectable heartbeat to the definition of dependent is going to be effective as of the date of the court's ruling. So it's retroactive back to July 20th, 2022. And so what does that mean? Well, first of all, keep in mind that this pertains to Georgia state taxpayers. So this would not be, at this point in time, affecting our federal tax returns. However, individual taxpayers in the state of Georgia, this affects you. And so we see here further guidance. It's basically telling us that when you file your state tax return for tax year 2022, so that's the year that we are in, if you were pregnant anytime between July 20th through December 31st of this year, and your child had a detectable human heartbeat, that you will be able to claim that child on your tax return, on your Georgia state tax return, and receive an exemption in the amount of $3,000 for each unborn child. Okay. And so they go on here to say it's similar to any other deduction that's going to be claimed on a tax return, that you will be asked for proof. And so here they're saying medical records or other supporting documentation, but no real concrete guidance is being given as of this point. I'm sure, as they say here, additional information, including your state return instructions to be able to claim the exemption for the unborn child with a detectable heartbeat, is going to be issued later this year, along with the tax changes that are going to be coming about as a result of this ruling. So we will, as tax preparers, be on the lookout for this guidance. But this is very interesting. It's going to be interesting to see how this affects, how other states follow suits, if they do, and how this is going to, how they're going to ask people to prove that they are eligible for this deduction. All right. So again, very interesting. I'll leave the link to this this article or this statement from the Georgia Department of Revenue below this video. I'd be interested to read your comments. What do you think about this? And as always, thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative in any way, please remember to subscribe and like and share. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next video.